Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the one clear route, speed up approval with a prepared profile. Gather proof, driver's license, 2 pay stubs, bank statements, and insurance info. Once done, pull your credit report so you know your score. Make sure to correct errors immediately. Then contact a single lender who can pre-approve online. This avoids back and forth. You proceed with a focused application, answer questions promptly, and agree to electronic signatures. This removes mailing delays and starts funding faster. Expect decisions within 24 to 48 hours when you follow these steps. Now execute verification and negotiation quickly. You must respond to document requests within hours. Slower replies create gaps that stall funding. Once verification is underway, negotiate rates and term lengths using your pre-approval as leverage. Be firm but reasonable. If appraisal or inspection is required, schedule same day where possible and offer digital access to reports. Make sure to confirm payoff amounts, trade-in values, and any add-ons before signing. These middle moves compress timelines, reduce surprises, and keep momentum toward closing. You finish by confirming funding and pickup details. Verify wire or ACH instructions, scheduled pickup time, and required ID to avoid last-minute setbacks. Once funds are released, inspect the vehicle quickly for agreed condition. Document any discrepancies with photos and timestamps. If delivery or funding stalls, call your lender and the dealer immediately, insist on a timeline, and escalate to a manager if needed. Remember, a single clear escalation path prevents ambiguity and usually resolves holdups within 24 hours fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.